Hi everyone and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of Iron Man, and I chose to use Greyboard for this, and I was using a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03 for the outlines. Then when it came to the colouring I was using Copic Markers. So for the red areas I was using Crimson and Cardinal, blending outwards to the highlighted areas with a tender pink marker. Then for the golden areas, I was using a light reddish yellow, along with warm grey 1, 3 and 5, and I also used a bit of yellow ochre as well. For any blue areas, I was also using an aqua marker. Then on top of this, to add shading, I was blending between a black marker and cool grey 3, 5 and 7. Then for any highlights, I was blending between a white Prismacolor pencil, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uni-Ball white ink pen. The process was so much fun, and I really hope you enjoy watching this video. I really enjoyed drawing Iron Man in this comic panel, and overall I think it took about 11 hours to complete, so please be sure to let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.